We've got a lovely match coming up as Floyd Diaz is set to go down against Max Fernandez. Floyd Diaz 9-0, 5'5", 64 inches of reach. He defeated recently Luis Fernando Saavedra, Edgar Joe Cortez, and he was doing a great job against high-level opponents. Max Fernandez is 5'9", and he lost to Hector Valdez recently, but defeated Oscar Saucedo Gonzalez. He's a tough guy. He can take a beating, and it's very, very hard to finish him. The guy has never been finished in his whole life, and I believe this is going to be a long war, 8-round fight. I just think Diaz has better cardio. This is the clash between two pretty much evenly matched fighters, but I still see Diaz as a guy with better cardio, and I think his cardio is going to give him advantage as the fight advances into later rounds. So I'm going to say Floyd Diaz to win. Potentially, I'm saying Diaz to win a decision.